This is what happens to a body inside a coffin. The moment your brain stops functioning and your heart ceases to beat, you officially depart this world. 10 minutes after death, your body retains slight warmth, but blood circulation halts completely. Without oxygen, millions of cells begin to die. This leads to muscles relax. Pupils dilate, marking the first stage of decomposition. 2 hours after death, blood pools in the lower body due to gravity, causing body temperature to plummet, algor mortis, and stiffness, rigor mortis, to set in. 4 hours after death, blood settles, creating purple blotches on the skin, known as livor mortis, death stains. 5 hours after death, with the immune system shut down, gut bacteria start decomposing the body. 24 hours after death, bacteria release foul-smelling gases, like hydrogen sulfide and ammonia. 1 week after death, gas buildup causes the body to bloat, forming a bloated corpse with a giant-like appearance. 1 month after death, maggots and microbes consume most flesh. Even a gentle touch causes skin to slip off the bones. 3 months after death, organs liquefy, leaving behind a viscous, dark fluid. 1 year after death, only bones, teeth, and hair remain in the coffin. Life may be filled with injustices, but in death, we all become food for microorganisms. Cremation is an alternative, yet all paths lead to the same end. From dust we came, to dust we return.